Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Ana TV Gracia. I'm 34 years old and I live in Kitay, Zamboanga, Sibugay. I am married and I have three children.
Your children, how old are they?
15 years old, ma'am, and second 12 years old and 7 years old.
Both
boy.
girl or boy?
Boy.
Boy, the three?
Boy. Two girls and one boy.
Okay. Yeah, so then, do you have any work experience in abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have worked before in Saudi Arabia for 4 years from 2020 to 2024.
Okay, so 4 years for one employer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yeah. Okay, how many members in that family?
There are 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 newborn baby and 1 girl 3 years old.
Okay, so how many helpers do you have in that family?
I am the only one, ma'am.
Oh, you're such busy. So you have a newborn baby, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you be the one to taking care of a newborn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. And at the same time, you're doing a household
Yes, ma'am.
chores. Okay, yes. And yeah, do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. Arabic food and
Mhm.
Filipino.
Okay, so that you have been there for 4 years, so of course you know very well about Arabic foods.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So since that you said that you've been took care a newborn or young children, so are you capable to taking care a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Okay, then can you tell me how the way you taking care a newborn or young children?
Taking care of baby, ma'am, is to feed if they hungry and change the diaper if it's full.
Mm-hmm.
And baby is very sensitive and I give my full attention.
Yes, baby is very sensitive one. We have to really pay attention every now and then. And of course, you have a lot of patience about to taking care the young children. And yes, for example, if the baby is crying and crying, so what will you do?
The baby is crying, ma'am. I will check the diaper, I will check the temperature, and I will call the parents of the baby. I inform that the baby is not feeling well and wait for their instructions.
Yes, that very important one. If the baby is not feeling well or there's something wrong, you have to immediately inform to the parents, your employer, that the baby is not feeling well. And of course, you have to wait the instruction or you give a first aid.
Okay.
And yes, if necessary, so you rush to the hospital. Okay, can you sing a song, a nursery rhyme?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, thank you very much about that. Then, so why you want to go to work in Hong Kong?
I choose Hong Kong, ma'am, because Hong Kong is a very safe country and have a high salary. And also, I want to support my family needs and my children.
Yes, because we are a mother, we have to really prioritize about the future of our children, especially when they goes to university. Okay, yes, and yes, Hong Kong is very nice country and they offer a high salary.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, if you luckily hard in Hong Kong, do you have any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you choose me as your helper, I will promise that I will do my best and I will love your children as my own child, and I will promise that I will finish my 2 years of contract. Thank you and have a nice day.
Yes, and to promise that to love their children as your own child.
Yes, ma'am.
To promise that you finish your 2 years contract or
Yes,
more.
ma'am.
Okay, and yes, of course, in Hong Kong, they have holidays every week. So then, if your employer requests not Saturday or Sunday, are you willing to do?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Okay, that's good. Are you willing that no holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, they give you a money back for overtime pay so you can earn more.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot ask salary advance from your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot involve in ibang finance in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. And to promise that you cannot play your mobile phone while you're working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before we end this interview, can you show us your best smile? Thank you.